Oh my god, okay. Wait till I zoom into your face. Stop smiling. That's the fucking funniest face ever. Do that face again. Again, wait till it concentrates. It's not concentrating. Okay, it's close.
I'm a frog.
Okay, go kiss him. Oh, that's the sex face, is it?
Okay, no.
My finger is so sore! That wasn't loud at all. Aw, you wrecked it. Oh, the face on him. He's like, Mommy doesn't like my kisses.
It's on my lip.
It's what's on your lip?
Not snow snow.
Oh, my finger.
Oh. Make it. What are you doing to me? I want a cute clip.
Aw, there's the cutest face.
Dribble, dribble. That's a really cute face, huh? Come here. Yeah. Come here. Yeah.
Come here, baby.
Okay, stop. Here, I'll hit you if you fuck off.
Poor Pony. Ah! Violence is never the answer.
No.
Or maybe it is for some people.
Okay.
You need to put this up as a raw, try to get him to
I'm
kiss
gonna
you.
have to ask a boy for a kiss.
Ah, bless.
No, that's cute.
And his ears were forward. Oh, my feet. Oh, hello, little fella.
Oh, don't bit me. No. Wait.
Be like Kieran Point.
Flies.
Yeah, what's up with the leg?
Unpacking here. Ah, flies.
Fuck!
Oh, that's the deer. Over to Jenna.
Don't!
Over to Jenna.
Ellen, I swear to God, go away.
Oh, good boy.
You're dangerous.
Jesus Christ.
I don't think he really gets how dangerous it is.
No, he just thinks, yeah, it's fun.
He's like, wee!
Back getting sucked into the air.
I started to get his poop. Go on, boy.
I'm trying to lick his ear. You put the straight over.
Your tongue is fucking huge.